Oh. Oh. Super Dance, Good Time, Space Ambient. I think I'll go Super Dance. Hello, are you in there? Ooh. Straight away. Oh. Ah. Hmm. Ah. Poka Gamu. These are very loud. Ha. Ooh, lots of coffee. That one. That one. Oh no. vending machine stuck. Oh no. It's in there. I can see you. Gotcha. Oh. Little sucker. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Ah, hello kitty. Oh my god, am I gonna peg Hello Kitty? Stick that right up your behind. Cute. And little Miss Kitty, you get a little hat thing for your thing. Ah, okay. This is it. I don't usually talk in my videos very much, but I thought that this one came with all these other bits and bobs. Like when it's advertised on the front of the machine, it has like the full kit and caboodle. No, I get a completely naked body in a packet. I guess I make it. You just make it? Feel free to comment below. What is this? Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna try and speed make this thing. Shiza, I need to cut them. Arms. Whoa! The arms in there. Okay. Oh, it broke. Oh, whatever. There we go.
Gacha?